Hey guys, this is the unboxing of the iPhone 8. So this is the phone. It's a 64 GB version. This is not a review, it's just an unboxing. You get all the Apple's information and stuff. And you get the phone. Wow, it looks beautiful. Keep the phone aside. So in the box you get earpods. You get the charging adapter. And you also get a lightning cable. Now let's unwrap the phone. Wow. You guys can also check out this Huawei's tripod. It's really good. I've kept the Amazon links in the description, but for both the iPhone and the tripod. Thanks for watching.